Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making caramel apples for the very first time. Enjoy. Okay, you have to clean your apples, so boil some water. Let them soak in the water for 10 seconds. Take them out and wipe them down really good. That'll help get all the wax off. And then I place them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be using pecans as a topping on my caramel apples, so I'm going to chop some of those up. Add all of your ingredients except your vanilla and then turn your Instant Pot on. Set your Instant Pot to medium to high heat and then stir. Don't stop stirring. I suggest using a wooden spoon because it does not hold heat. You want to let it come to a boil until it reaches the temperature of 245 degrees. If you have a candy thermometer, that'll help, but I didn't have one. I just kind of winged it. It worked. Turn the heat off and then add your 2 tablespoons of vanilla and stir. Now that it's the perfect color and the perfect consistency, I'm gonna dip my apples. Again, this is my first time, so I'm learning as I go.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, but bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
done. The one thing I would suggest is to put your toppings on as soon as you put your caramel on. Don't wait. The longer you wait, the harder it is for them to stick. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and Merry Christmas. And yes, they do taste as good as they look. Please don't forget to like, sub, and share.